In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to earn thousands of dollars promoting CPA marketing offers on this platform right here called cpagrape.com, and I'm going to show you how to do this even as a beginner and start making passive income online with CPA marketing, as we're going to be promoting offers to the United States right here. And to promote that, we're going to be utilizing a very cool platform right now called Reddit. Now you may be wondering why we are actually utilizing Reddit to promote our offers, because Reddit right here actually gets lots and lots of cool traffic to their platform right now. If you analyze Reddit based on similar web statistics, you can actually find out that Reddit's got about 2.2 billion visits in just the last 28 days. And if you scroll down to the bottom section, you'll be able to see the countries that visit this website the most. The United States actually has 47.89% of this website's traffic, meaning that United States gets averagely almost 50% of the website traffic right now. And you can see the United Kingdom gets about 7.51% of the website traffic, Canada with 6.93%, Australia with 4.29%, and Germany with 2.96%. So the reason why we're promoting United States offers is because United States indigenes actually visit the website the most. That's why you want to just simply leverage that. And guys, the first thing you want to do right now is to just simply come onto the platform called CPA Grape. You want to get an account created. You can click on register right here. We're brought to this page, and you want to fill out this form right now. Now you can fill out this form appropriately, but mainly focus on the fields having these red asterisk signs. As you can take note that the signs actually indicate the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on a platform such as this. You can also come right here and agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out like I'm doing right now, because this particular field also have the red asterisk sign. If you want to read through the terms of service, you can click on this icon right now and you'll be able to read through that. Once you're done, click on register and get your account created before logging into your account. Now guys, once you do log into your account, you want to come onto a page that looks similar to this, and to get to this page you just need to click on the offer tools option right here. You can see my offers from the drop down list. You want to select that and be brought to a page similar to this. Now you can filter your offers by making sure you get offers from the United States. You want to select the United States from this section right now to only get offers available to that demographic only. Now you can also filter based on categories and other features right now. But basically guys, you can take note of the offers right here, that these are all some cool offers available to the United States demographic. You may want to click on payout right now. It's going to filter the offers based on payouts. You can see some cool offers available right now. Now if I actually do go into selecting this offer right now, you can actually see much more details about the offer that is for people to go on to installing, play a simple game right now, which is actually a puzzle application. And once they do that guys, utilizing an Android device, you're gonna get paid this amount right here, which is $1.24. That is actually $1.28, and you just simply need to do that utilizing your unique affiliate link right now. So that's actually easy right now. You can also go on to checking out this offer right here. This is also a very cool one right now. This is also a mobile install offer. So depending on the one you're actually sticking with right here, you want to just simply right click on the image, click on save image as, and save the image on your device, because we're going to be utilizing that later on in this particular video. So what you want to do next guys is to just simply copy the link to this particular offer. Now once you copy the link, you can actually create a landing page. But what you want to do just now guys is to head on to platforms like tinyurl.com or any link shortener websites out there to shorten that lengthy URL. Now you want to paste in the link right here in this section. Click on shorten URL and you could be able to get a new link to this URL right now. You want to copy the link right there and head on to Reddit right now to go on to promoting such offers. Once you do come onto Reddit, you want to focus on a subreddit that is actually in the same niche to the offer you're promoting. Now you can actually see this subreddit, which is actually the deal subreddit. You can take a look at this one right now, which is for technology, and this one right here is for puzzles. Since I'm actually promoting an offer that is actually related to puzzles, as you can see right now, this is to play a simple puzzle and you're actually going to enjoying the game. For people that do play the puzzle or download the application utilizing your unique affiliate link, you're going to get paid this amount, which is $1.28. So you want to just simply go on to promoting that right now on this puzzle subreddit. So while on this subreddit, guys, we don't want to go on to promoting our offers right away. You need to wait at least 2 to 3 days before you promote your offers. Now in the space of that 2 to 3 days, what you want to do is to actually get engagement to a lot of people's posts right now on this particular subreddit. So firstly, you want to just simply join the subreddit right now. As you can see, you are now a member of the subreddit, so you can actually see a lot of people's posts on this particular subreddit. All you need to do is to actually be engaged in posts and activities on that particular subreddit. You can do so by actually commenting to subreddit, liking subreddit, and actually increase your presence in that particular subreddit. Now the reason for that is that it actually helps you go on to increasing your engagement and also your credibility in that particular subreddit, so that people will actually know you and they actually have a sense of trust whenever you are actually promoting a particular link that they can actually go on to clicking. So basically that's what you want to do right now for this subreddit right here. So once you're actually engaged, and you want to make sure that the comments you're actually leaving are not promoting any link, they are not actually spammy content. You want comment, you just want to give some cool and amazing comments right there. And once you're done with that, you want to just simply go on to creating your post after 2 to 3 days, or you can actually wait a little bit more than that, so as to make sure people actually know you quite better in that particular subreddit. Now what you want to just simply do right now is to come right here, click on create a post, and you can easily create a post for this particular subreddit. You may want to just simply give it a very cool title right now about puzzles. So take a look at these, guys. You can see the title right here says brain cracking puzzles people can't solve. Now this is actually a very cool kind of way to name your post right now, because with this way a lot of people will be interested in clicking on that link and checking out those puzzles right there that people can't actually solve. You want to just simply give it a simple body right now, a description about a puzzle, and once you do that, you also want to go on to add in an image. Now in that image section, guys, you want to add in the image which we downloaded from CPA grip earlier. So I'm just going to come right here and select that particular image right now. As you can see, the image is actually going to be added. Then you also want to just simply draft in a simple text previously right there, and in that text, guys, you want to just simply leave them quite puzzled, that you may just simply tell them to check it out themselves, that to see if they can solve it. So if they check that out themselves, you may put in something like click here, highlight that click here option. You then want to just simply click on this chain icon, which is the link, and just simply add in your CPA marketing link right here. Then you want to click on save. Now for any person that actually do click on click here, it's automatically going to take them to your CPA offer, of which if they do complete that, you're going to earn some cool affiliate commission. And since most of the people on Reddit actually get or comes from the United States, almost 50% come from the United States, you're going to be making some cool affiliate commission, because you'll be able to get some cool and amazing qualified leads to your offers. Then just simply go on to posting date, and mind you guys, like I said, you want to make sure you actually do use a very cool description right now of that particular offer, something that will actually also make them go on to clicking on that, or something that will actually make them curious. So try that out right now and utilize that to make money with CPA marketing. Now you may also want to utilize ChatGPT to generate a simple text that can make them curious right now. You can actually go on to doing that right here to make some cool cash. Now you also want to be quite careful so as to make sure your account don't get banned, and if you want to do that, you may actually want to use some other tools like anti-detect browsers for your browsers right there, so as to actually make sure you don't get banned. Now if this video was helpful to you, if you actually did enjoy this, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Also guys, I actually create a lot of videos on ways to make money online. You could check out my channel right there. They are actually cool and amazing right now, so you can just simply learn some strategies on my channel, replicate that, and utilize that to make money online. Also, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.